So over here you can see that I have Adobe Media Encoder, and if I were to go ahead right here and select out, let's say for example, a particular video such as this one right here. So let's just go for the desktop stitch clip. You can see that a preset is applied right here. If I were to go around over here, you can see that the output right here is set to 720 by 576 resolution right here. But the source video is 1280 by 720. So you can see that the output and source video differs out right here. So let's say what I actually want to do is I want to go ahead and take the source information right here and match it out to the output regardless of the format that I'm selecting. So to do that, over here under video, you can actually see match source. Click on it, and then now the quality is set. As you can see, the resolution right here, as you can see, matches out the source. So you can see that this is the source right here, 1280 by 720, and you can see the same resolution being applied right here as well. This does not actually apply to the frame rate. So the output is 25 and the source is 29.97. So that is something you need to go ahead and change it out right here. But the format, so if I were to select NTSC right here now, then you can see that this is what you have. Let me just go ahead and match source, and you can see that I can go ahead and do that. Over here in audio, however, you don't really have a match source option. So what you can actually do here is you can actually see like what you have in the source. So here in source, you can see it's a stereo audio, and then you will be able to see that it is 48,000 Hz. So you can see that you can go ahead and set it out in the same option right here. Like you can go for stereo 48,000 Hz right here, and that is how you can go ahead and then use the match source preset right here, just like this, to get the exact level of output right here, just like this, as the source, so that you don't lose much quality during conversion. So that is how you can go ahead and use the match source option inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.